Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify on Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To install Shopify on Wix, begin by signing into your Wix account. Navigate to the Wix dashboard. From there, select the site where you want to add Shopify. Then, visit the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type Shopify and press enter. Locate the Shopify app in the search results. Click on the app to open its details page. Select the Add to Site button. Once the app is added, you will need to connect your Shopify account. If you do not have a Shopify account, sign up for one at shopify.com. After signing in, you will be prompted to authorize the connection between Shopify and Wix. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. Next, return to your Wix dashboard. Go to the Shopify section in the menu. Here, you can set up your Shopify store. Add products by clicking the Add Products option. Fill in the necessary details for each product, such as images, descriptions, and prices. Once you have entered your products, save your changes. To customize the appearance of your Shopify store on Wix, go to the Design settings. Adjust the layout and style according to your preferences. Preview your site before publishing to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your changes live. Your Shopify store is now successfully installed on your Wix website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.